Well, let me take this first question to Sanjay Nirupam then. Sanjay Nirupam, why is it such a big deal for the Prime Minister to be speaking on this issue? It's an important issue. He was the minister in charge. He made a statement in Parliament last year that he takes full responsibility since he was the minister in charge. Why has this become such an event?
Nidhi, there are 2 points I have to make in this regard. First, the coal ministry files, which were supposed to be missing or which were declared as missing, had nothing to do with that period when our Honorable Prime Minister was in charge of the coal ministry. That is why it was not required that Parliament should make a statement. Secondly, BJP every day comes up with a new issue and demands that Prime Minister should come to the Parliament and make a statement. Then what is the use of having different cabinet ministers? If on each and every issue, Prime Minister has to make a statement, then the minister concerns what is his job? Because ultimately we have a system which works on the basis of collective responsibility. A minister speaks of the Prime Minister, it is all the same. It's a statement of the government. So there is no need of the Parliament, or that there should not be an expectation from the Parliament to make a statement on each and every issue in the Parliament.
But Sanjay Nirupam, it's two things. One, Dr. Manmohan Singh held the coal portfolio. He's taken responsibility for it. The second thing is, it's amazing how even in terms of the numbers, how the government has messed up on this in the last few days. You had Sri Prakash Jaiswal, the coal minister, saying in Parliament that the CBI had asked for some 157 documents, files, etc. and some others. When he was asked by Arun Jaitley what those some others were and whether that pertained to post-2004, he didn't answer that question. The CBI was telling reporters that there are about 225 files that are missing, and 13 and the files related to the 13 FIRs, including those against Naveen Jindal and Vijay Darda, who are Congress MPs, those are missing. And last night you had government sources leaking to reporters that only 7 files are missing now, and only 2 of them are post-2004. First, the government has to make up its mind how many files are missing.
Nidhi, as far as the statement made by CBI director is concerned, it was basically he was talking to a newspaper. How much that statement is correct, nobody knows. But whenever and wherever CBI director wrote a letter to the government, and if government has not supplied any file, then it's a case. But CBI director never said this. And the whole case is being investigated by CBI under the monitoring of Supreme Court. And if CBI director has any problem with the files or any information or any document, he has the right to go to the Supreme Court and make a complaint over there. And Supreme Court can direct the government, and then it can become a big issue. But recently, the current issue has nothing to do with that period when our Prime Minister was in charge of the coal ministry. The coal minister made a statement that there are files pertaining to from 93 to 2004 are missing. On that issue, Rajya Sabha debated the whole thing.
No, he didn't say that. He did not say that. I have his statement in front of me. He actually, in his statement, didn't even admit any file is missing. He just said the CBI had asked for 157 documents and applications prior to 2004. Apart from a few other files and documents. Then he goes on to talk about how that some of these could not be located. You know, he didn't even say, that's what I'm saying, that you guys can't even make up your mind on how many files are missing. Prashant Bhushan, what is this telling you here? What is the sense you're getting here? Is it that this was deliberate, or it was just complete bungling? What is it?
No, it is very clearly deliberate. Because at no other time in the past did the government say that the files are missing. They did not say that when the CAG was auditing the matter. They did not even say it when the CBI started investigating the matter. In fact, when the CBI gave its previous status report to the Supreme Court, and said that we have not been able to get several files and several pieces of information that we had asked the government for, the Attorney General on behalf of the government clearly stated that no, all the files are available and we have supplied all the files to the CBI. Therefore, now when it turns out, and the CBI director has confirmed this, that a very large number of files have still not been given to the CBI, and the government is saying that they are missing. And now all kinds of contradictory statements are coming from the government about the number of files missing, Obviously, many of the files missing pertain to the 2006 to 2009 period, because most of the FIRs have
How
been
can you say?
registered
Mr. Bhushan, who has
pertaining to
told
this
you that the files are
2006-2009
missing? How can
period.
you say with the full of confirmation?
That's
How
why
can you
we need the
confirm
Prime
it that the
Minister
files
to
are
make a
missing?
statement.
You are not in the government. You
Your-
don't run the ministry.
your own-
How can
your
you
own
say with the full
minister
of
said this in
confirmation that the files
Parliament.
are
Yeah,
missing?
but Sri Prakash Jaiswal said they can't be found, which is another
Your
word for
own
missing.
minister
that-
said
that
this in
stage-
Parliament.
Shugata Roy.
Just one point.
No, I
One
think
point.
you all are mistaken. I think you all are mistaken. I
We are
don't
not
think
mistaken. We'll
any
tell you
file
what the right
post
thing is.
2004 is missing.
Oh, okay, Shugata Roy, yes.
I have a simple point. Look at the incompetence of the ministers. It is not some opposition person or some news person who has found out that the files are missing. Sri Prakash Jaiswal made this comment at a press conference that he held in Kanpur, where he admitted to the missing files. Now, he has not stated the full number of files that are missing. It's true that 157 files relate to the period before 2004, which means that 68 files are there which is post 2004, and this was the time when the Prime Minister was in charge of the coal ministry and Dasari Narayan Rao or Santosh
Yes.
Bagrodia were ministers of state under him. And some of the files relate to, as you have said correctly, Vijay Darda,
Yes,
Navin Jindal, and another Jaiswal,
Nidhi,
who is a relative of Sri
Nidhi,
Prakash
can I ask a
Jaiswal.
question?
Now, I do not ascribe any motive. I do not want to find the guilty. But if such files are missing, then everybody will smell a rat. It's for the Prime Minister to clear the air.
I
Why
just have a piece of
68
news.
files,
Please allow me.
including the period when the Prime Minister
Okay.
was in charge of the coal ministry,
Mr. Nirupam-
should be missing.
Okay.
This coal mines thing,
Nidhi.
coal distribution thing,
Yes,
has spoiled
Mr.
one
Nirupam,
whole
quick
session
response,
of Parliament.
quick
They-
response, because
they
I have
have
some
to
news
answer-
for you on this. Yes, Mr. Nirupam, quick response before I tell you what the news is.
Nidhi, let me allow to respond to this point. If at all any file is missing, then on what basis CBI filed FIR? CBI has filed FIR on the basis of the file supplied by the government to the agency.